sun is going down here in Capos, just outside Manuel Antonio National Park. And if you cannot tell from Tim's hat, we're going in the jungle. Going on a jungle night tour. We're gonna get picked up by our guide Brian, and then the sun will continue setting and we're heading out in the dark. Our biggest wildlife connoisseur over here, Lacey. Tim's got the hat, but Lacey's got the knowledge. What are we gonna see out there today, Lace?
Hopefully some tree frogs, snakes, spiders. Oh my, dinosaurs.
What'd you say?
Dinosaurs.
Okay. Hello, Brian. Brian. Hi. What's your name?
Aaron.
Aaron, nice to meet you. I'm Tim. Yeah. Renee.
Hola.
Nate.
Alright, nice. Okay, guys, so we're ready.
We're ready. Hey, Brian. Nice to meet you. I'm Tim. Gracias.
In a different part, well, to see a different habitat and a different animals. Probably right here we're gonna see more like insects, spiders, scorpions, and things like this. Maybe a snake. We have venomous snakes and non-venomous snakes. These animals in general are not waiting there to attack people, tourists, or just people from Michigan. And and we'll see. We're gonna try to see actually the most animals we can. You also are gonna help me to find the animals, and if there's an animal like it's kind of far away, we can take pictures through the telescope as well.
Cool.
And see them too. We have the fer-de-lance, which is basically the snake or the animal you have to be concerned. I'm very concerned of it. It's normally on the edges of the trail, waiting for small prey, like rats. These are the snakes that are sit and wait predators. They stay there and they just wait for small prey.
Perfectly
Normally
still.
when people in the countryside step on them, the snake reacts. But normally this snake, when people is very close to it, just try to move away into the vegetation. The snake is also afraid of people as well. And so guys, we're gonna start right now this way. My flashlight right here in Manuel Antonio. Central Pacific, South Pacific side. This is an arthropod.
We're out here.
You know the nightjar?
Pitch black.
Yeah. It's similar. Yeah. Almost the same.
Seeing a lot of spiders, some frogs. Renee. In the forest surrounding these trails are several venomous snakes, including coral snakes and the fearsome fer-de-lance. I hope not to come across an angry one.
Hey. Past my bedtime.
Are you falling asleep on a jungle tour?
No, I just
We're on a safari and you're sleeping?
I yawned. I got up early today.
Check this out. We just found a fer-de-lance. Aaron, the guide, he's the man.
It's not
Small, but a bite from any size snake like this.
It's very unusual.
Bad news.
I put first a leather glove in my right hand, so I took it with that one. But I don't know how the snake escaped from my hand, and one fang goes straight to my finger right here. I was like, oh man, what I do now? I was very afraid. I wasn't alone, just with my sister. She went to meet a neighbor, to find a neighbor to tell which kind of snake was that one. And he told her it's a fer-de-lance. I mean, it's a terciopelo. So if something happened, you need to go immediately to the hospital. I went to the hospital, but no effects, nothing happened. Thank
Oh,
God.
good.
It was a dry bite. Normally when a person is bitten in one finger, it loses the finger.
Oh my gosh.
Because the venom goes directly to the bone. I mean, no flesh, no muscles, no meat here in the bone.
Wow. You got lucky.
Que suerte.
Yes.
Wow, look at that face.
No, I never. I mean, when I
That's
see the
insane.
fer-de-lance, it's always the same. Striking impression. For me, it's like the highlight. I would say that it's the most dangerous animal of Costa Rica.
Oh.
I mean, it's not a jaguar, not a crocodile. I mean, most people that is bitten by the fer-de-lance in Costa Rica survive, but the damage that the snake causes on the skin and tissue, muscles is terrible, especially when it takes a long time to get to the hospital. One person that I know from my natal town, south, was bitten right here, very close to the ankle. It took like 30 minutes for him to get to the hospital. Nothing happened, but still he walks like.
Wow.
I mean,
Wow.
in a very short time. I mean, the snake can hurt you bad. Mucho gusto. Thank you very much. Appreciate your time, guys.
Gracias, señor.
And hope you
It was awesome. Thank you.
enjoy the rest of your vacation.
Bye. Nice meeting
Bye-bye.
you. We'll probably see you again.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yes, thank you very much. Pura vida.
Awesome. Nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. We're back. What'd you think, Lacey?
Loved it. I got a great picture of a tree frog.
Haha.
And the snake was awesome.
The cameramen unite. Video's over. We're going to the store, I guess.
Can you buy one for me? I want one too.
Thank you, guys. Animal.